Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Wouldn't you love to own a double lot in the most prestigious neighborhood in St. Andrew? Located on Bracknell Avenue is this three-level, five-bedroom, five-bathroom home of 8,320 square feet and sits on 1.32 acres of land. There is plenty of entertainment space, both outdoor and indoor, with sprawling flat lawns, as well as a wraparound front veranda, which overlooks the lawn and surrounding areas. The long main driveway leads to an open brick area and ample parking. There is an arch ivy covered wall, which leads to the pool deck and covered patio area, ideal for entertaining and casual dining. Inside, there is a large living room and dining room on the main floor, together with one of the bedroom, which can serve as a home office. The spacious kitchen has stainless steel appliances and sufficient space for food preparation. Upstairs, there are four bedrooms and four bathrooms, plus a sitting area facing the hills and overlooking the pool. In addition, there is a large basement, plus helpers' quarters, a standby generator, and much more. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please, watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 2.3 million or Jamaican $353.9 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.